All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. You know, be small something. Still on the matter. Yoruba Nation, going back. Exactly waiting to be exactly waiting the people them they talk about it. Yeah, so my people, some people go say, why this man they laugh like this? Say, why they say, boy, they laugh like this? Say, wonders shall never see. So, yes, so on to the next level. Yes, we know waiting the sup for the country. Hardship everywhere. Everybody they cry. Everybody they find way. We be say things go work out too. Yeah, so for this Yoruba land, we they see many things where they go up and down for this Yoruba land. Baba God na only Baba God na him go help us. Now your hand over there. These people where then they call it the Democratic Republic of the Yoruba. Now their matter. Now in they make me they laugh. Hey, Ijinle my God, waiting the sup. See, e don't tell we be say we dey see many things wey dey sup wey be say we go just dey laugh. All these people wey dey do skit, when they do some kind drama, we go just dey laugh. We say, hey, these people dem funny. You go just dey hear funny people. Hey, Ijinle got to just carry another bombshell come out. With the news where they reach also, as we just hear this boy just come out to this one where they call Ijinle Marcus, he come outside, they come they shout to say, say now the governor of Ogun State make a no run. The man any way be say he they try to travel go somewhere. Now Ijinle Margot they say she be the governor of Ogun State. He done they run say say don't talk him say all of now no fit escape him. This Yoruba Nation wey be say them one get wey be say all the governors for Southwest State they say no say make them no worry say but now they won't first deal with the governor of Ogun State, Governor Abiodun. They say they won't deal with them. Say now make everybody make sure say they no let this governor escape. Say because now them done ready about to deal with all the governors wey be say they no want it make the Ominira Adele make them start their work. Say all of them with all the hardship wey dey the country, with everything wey be say the
say this people wey be say they call themselves they are fair. They know say na for only this restructuring na there dem go dey see their daily bread.
We all know wetin dey happen for the
country.
But
They know say na only for this restructuring dem go dey see the food wey be say dem go dey chop, dey feed their children and maybe their unborn children. I don't know for them, but the truth has to be told. These people, everybody don dey talk say okay, Yoruba nation at all. In fact, they don't get love for the Yoruba people. The way we say these people right now, the youth don come outside. Everybody say now, these people say nothing they happen. Say they want to take it upon ourselves now to deal with them. Say because of these people, unto say we don't talk say make the youth make we know the way we say elders, make we know they talk to elders anyhow. Because make them come the one anyhow. The Galivanti up and down. But this time around, the youth don't come outside. Say we not go gree for this fair people. We be say in fact the people come the best. Say these people they no fair us fair at all. One fair fair below come out. One fair fun rara àti rara. Exactly what they you to come they talk. Say these people they no want us for good.
The Democratic Republic of the Yoruba, no be the Yoruba Nation agitator now.
My brother,
my
sister,
who
does that now?
Since the youth arrest those ones,
they don't talk am say like this so.
Nobody don't talk about
with the youth. We are taking the ball by the horn. As it be so, we no go allow these people make them continue to the chance us again.
As far as the Yoruba Nation is concerned,
the Yoruba Nation agitators, restructuring, restructuring, don't do. And then they come to let us to understand say this is restructuring where they even they talk about
for Yoruba land.
But now this one when they say these people even this time around
to anyhow they say like
one get restructuring. Say the time where we say they suppose don't get restructuring don't pass. No be the one where we say the country don't turn upside down. Where everywhere done dabaru.
Since when they say
even answer them Barack Obama the former the best now be say make this make them just answer up make all the youth make them take over. They go. Now everybody don talk am say all these people dem be àwọn oníjẹkújẹ dem be oníjẹkújẹ àgbàlagbà
Republic of the Yoruba
dem know say if dem take talk against restructuring na hunger na him go finish dem you see àwọn àgbà oníjẹkújẹ àwọn atọ́kùnmọ́kù
government for us
àwọn amọ̀nà
you don even unveil our picture
at the end of the day we come see dey talk now
this is set of people
as far as they say Yoruba nation movement is concerned all the youth now they don wake up gone are those days wey be say the youth dem come dey look away but now the youth come say laye because as we dey for abroad so as we dey for the diaspora we know wetin our eye dey see most times the kind work wey be say we dey work sef inside the cold go wan kpai us we go still dey send the money to house even if we still send this money to house e no go reach the people to chop na this kind thing na one way we continue to dey do the people wey dey diaspora come dey vex say like this all the work wey be say we dey do for diaspora here na think say e easy for us we go still send small money dem go still tell us say the money no reach if we still come home say make we come try to establish a farm for them dem go still kpai some of us which kind thing be this say the best for us na to go our separate ways no be the one wey be this Abele fair be dey talk say in fact the youth now dem dey vex so
you can imagine.
In case you don't know, all the youth now, the Yoruba nation youth, they don't come outside, they para. They don't talk like this, they no go gree. They no go gree make this fair people come they use their own. They cobalize us because this one what they do, they just they cobalize us. Nothing will be say we they gain at all. Inside this they are restructuring because we know say all this one what they talk now for their own pocket, now for their own goodness, for their themselves and only their children.
Say in fact say
na these people dem dey fight for now the youth don wake up say now wetin we go do be say we go follow this Afenifere people we go follow them up say we try our best we talk to them say in fact henceforth make dem comot their hand for anything wey concern Yoruba land
na here I come dey ask myself
say make dem comot their hand for anything wey concern Yoruba land because everything wey dem dey do na for only them which day they come tell us say one of their Afenifere people come build 2 houses for inside Lagos my brother my sister make you ask me where they forget the money wey dem take build those houses
as im talk say make
our people dem dey suffer everywhere dem dey kpai Yoruba people Afenifere no come outside to come say make dem stop this kpaing no the only thing wey dem dey after na make dem go meet the president so yeah we wan do birthday make he give us 10 cow we wan do Itoku make he give us 25 cow because na wetin dem don sign before say we go support una but anytime wey we wan do ayẹyẹ make una dey give us plenty meat plenty akpo iresi plenty tomato onion my brother my sister so tell these people dey come neglect the Yoruba people na only dem pocket and their belle
because we no understand
dey fight for
if na the way wey be say
now the youth come wake up say like this enough is enough all this nonsense wey be say this Afenifere people dey do wey be say dem come carry themselves say dem dey represent Yoruba who send on am
the Yoruba
state you people you are not for us at all you are not for us you are for your own self now our eye don tear our eye don open wetin we go do now be say we go report on am if una believe say una wan remain for that place stubbornly we go drag una out shey na before dem say make we no cause the elders but the elders wey be say e no wan get the sense we go drag am for ground because we know say una no get our interest at all my brother my sister this thing dey pain me well as I dey talk this thing because we know wetin dey happen for Yoruba land
well
we know wetin dey sup see as dem dey kpai people see the one wey happen for Maya which day now dem kpai many people those wey get belle sef dem kpai am with belle inside this our elders dem no come outside put mouth to shook mouth say no make dem pursue all this Fulani comot for Yoruba land say na dem get the land but later dem go say dem be Afenifere why we no go talk say una be Afenifere
you no go fit work
why we no go talk say una be Afenifere wahala
do their own
now the youth don come outside dem don para say like this so una go leave this Yoruba nation for us. Una no represent us in any way. Una just dey on our own. If una wan go collect money for the president hand, make una no use Yoruba level take collect. Make na dey one on our own as padi okay. Oga mi give me roja me. Na fit use roja me go, but make una no use our name at all. This thing dey pay me as I dey talk this thing.
No fit escape. Say
the thing dey vex me like this because people just dey kpata anyhow.
And like this,
make una know all these people wey be say dem dey kpata, dem be human being like you and me.
Because dem dey come for am.
Blood na im dey run for their body.
This thing na dey content
na blood na im dey run.
I don't understand.
So now as e be so,
dem go dey talk
make all of una make una get sense.
Say
like this the youth don say now we go drag them. If they say dem no wan hear word, we go drag them go meet your United Nations.
You see, now
we go tell the United Nations say na we be the youth of Yoruba land, and all these elders na dem dey power us. They no want a good thing to happen to us. And you know say as far as America, UK, the whole world is concerned. United Nations they no dey take their ear dey hear say youth dey suffer.
To the extent
they no dey take ear say our youth dey suffer.
Osun State Governor
Adele say make himself
you to come outside come talk last security we listen say okay say na wetin dey happen be that no wahala. So all this afenifere like this the youth now they don make up their mind say like this so make afenifere make dem pack their load make dem go their house if they wan go dey wear pampers make dem dey wear pampers make dem sit down dey observe dey watch wetin the youth wan do because we cannot continue like this. People then they'll find me
to distract
the real people.
Got our don sọnù lè continue báyìí.
The reason now be this
ẹ ti ṣe lójú ẹ.
No can be ordinary again.
àdèmá jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé àwa youth gangan àwa gangan la wà báyìí.
For in country again.
àsìkò àwọn youth la wà báyìí.
People come dey look for
trouble
wey be say dem come send themselves make dem go hijack in house.
ẹ ti di Afẹ́nifẹ́re bí o because ẹ̀rí ti wá rò àwọn akọ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ rẹ̀ a ò ní gbà fún yín exactly wetin the people dem dey talk about all the youth say we no go gree because now we don see say una no be Afẹ́nifẹ́re anything but Afẹ́nifẹ́re na him una be. Alright my people this thing wey dey happen so e don dey happen since and but now the youth don wake up say like this so no going back on Yoruba nation. All this one wey dem dey talk restructuring now no concern us we know say na their pocket dem dey fight for. Alright my people na so e come be until this lesson level until I come on our next time my brother my sister if this one na your first time wey be say now you dey join us on this channel abeg make you subscribe make you like make you help us to dey share am until I come on our way next time I say una bye for.
Say nothing fit happen him just dey make mouth well like say nothing dey happen like say dem na plan work. Every Yoruba people I think una understand wetin I dey try to talk. E come be like say na plan work wey all of dem plan. My brother my sister na only God na him go help us for this country. Now remember that incident wey happen for Okwama village for Delta State wey dem come accuse some the residents say dem kpai the soldiers wey come there. All of us hear the news. Now many things don go wrong for this country. Innocent people now wey be say dem run comot for that village. Now dem say those innocent people say dem don many like about 12 of them again don kpai for inside bush sake of say hunger don wire them well na him dey come kpai. Some say na snake na him bite some of them. Oh my God, Baba God, wetin dey happen for this country? You see why we need to go our separate ways because now these people wey be say dem dey kpai up and down now no be say dem commit wetin dem say dem commit people wey be say dem don commit that act now those ones don run but the people wey come dey kpai na innocent people. Now why Yoruba nation no going back? Exactly wetin e be, exactly wetin the people dey talk about unto this one my brother my sister na so e come be wey be say I say make I let una know wetin still dey sup for inside the Yoruba nation movement. Alright this one na so e go be until this until I come on our way next time my people. If this one na your first time wey be say you dey join us on this channel abeg you make you help us make you subscribe make you like am make you for dey go viral now. Okay until I come on our way next time I say una bye for now.